Hello, I'm Lockie and welcome to another episode of B2C Furniture's Assembled It. Today I'm going to unbox and show you how to assemble another product from B2C Furniture. We'll throw in some flat pack handy hints to make sure that your product gets assembled as easily and effectively as possible. Today we've got the gorgeous Villa dining chair. Have a look at this. If you prefer to get straight into assembling, skip to 104 or select unboxing in the key moments. This stunning modern hardwood dining chair is a statement piece in any dining room. With an elegant design featuring tapered legs and a strikingly unique rounded backrest, plus a neatly upholstered seat for comfort. Perfectly matched with our Villa dining table, Casa Dining Table, or any of the wide range of our matched dining tables to suit the ideal colour palette of your dining space. How good is that? Well, first things first, let's unpack the box. Be sure to use a safety knife to cut the tape on the box. Cut it at the gaps in the cardboard. Be aware not to cut too deep as to not mark your lovely new furniture. Remember, the cardboard packaging can always be popped in your recycling bin or dropped off at your local recycling centre. Before we start, let's check our parts, hardware and included tools to make sure that everything is there. Try laying them out nice and neatly so you can double check them against the assembly manual. You might have noticed that as we were unpacking the hardware and sorting it all out, we put the spring washers and washers onto the bolts. This makes it nice and easy when you go to assemble it. Everything's already on the right bits. Simply grab the bolt and washer, pop it in and screw it in. Easy. Alright, step one. Grab your seat cushion and pop it upside down on a clean, flat surface so that you have easy access to all the thread holes. Then align the bolt holes on the front legs with the thread holes on the underside of the cushion. Grab your M6 35mm bolts with the washers already installed and insert them into the thread holes. They may need a little bit of a wriggle to get them in. And screw them in with the Allen key provided. Of course, you can use an electric driver if you have one, though we always recommend a medium setting for the torque and speed. Oh, time for our handy hint. As you're putting these bolts on, just double check that you're putting the washers onto the bolts with the spring washer first, the one with the little gap in it, and then the flat washer. This will make sure that your chair stays nice and sturdy as you start to use it. If it does get a little bit wobbly, flip it back over and give those bolts another little tighten. Now that's handy. Now, step two. With your seat cushion on the edge of that surface, align the legs and backrest with the holes at the back as well, and screw in those bolts. Alright, now all that is left is step three, and that is putting on the side supports to complete the frame. So, pop them down in place with the corresponding stickers, left and right, flush up against the edge of the seat cushion, and with the felt tabs up against the back legs. Then chuck in the screws and screw them all the way in nice and tight. And that's it. You should be all done. So flip it over, give it a little bit of downwards pressure and a wriggle. If there's still some movement, flip it back over and tighten those bolts one more time. Well, there it is. That is the beautiful Villa dining chair. Check out our website for all the available wood stains. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe, and check out our channel for any other videos on how to assemble it, and we'll keep those handy hints coming. We'd love to hear from you, so of course, Leave any questions and comments in the comments section below. Let us know how you went with your assembly. Well, I hope that helps with smooth sailing for your assembly, and as always, we'll see you next time. Easy. Incredible. I think it's time for our handy hint. 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 Now that's handy. That's handy. Now that's handy. Now that's handy. Now that's handy. Now that's handy.